Welcome to Ask Share Market. It helps you for how to earn from share market. Tips for share marketing. The basics of share market trading. Why investing in share market is a great idea for your money. Such types of investment gives high returns as compared to others. Share market has delivered an annual average of 10 to 12% income can be generated. Share market can give us dividend of companies. It may differ from companies to companies. It may be from 0 to 200% or more than that. Share market is a long-term wealth creation. Share market is all about buying and selling shares or stocks of public traded companies. It is not without its risks and challenges. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe the channel and watch next video.